Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video on how to get set up and how to use CoinW. This is the preferred exchange that I use. The team are really cool. You've got loads of rewards. It's so easy to use. When I first started in crypto, I started off using Binance, and nothing against Binance. It's a great exchange, but it was a headache to learn how to use it. There's so many different things that you can do on it, especially for new people. It is a nightmare to learn how to use it. So let's get into the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'm going to show you guys how to use CoinW and how to get set up on CoinW. Let's start. Okay, so I've got a link below, which is basically a sign up link. Okay, just click trades now when you go onto this link. This is basically my page on CoinW. You get like 5 USDT cash when you first sign up. You can get $50, 50 USDT as a bonus, another 50 when you're trading and like futures, and then more bonuses and stuff. If you go here as well, when you deposit $300, you get $20, $500, you get $70, and so on along here. So you get special rewards. There's also a massive bonus by signing up with me for CoinW, and I'll go over this one in a minute, but it's a massive bonus. All right, so this is ultimately the sign up page. Once you've signed up, it's a non-KYC exchange as well. So what this means is you don't have to go through proof of address and passport or driving license, anything like that. When you go to sign up, you just literally put in your email, put in your name. If you're signing up from like the UK or a country that it doesn't typically allow CoinW users, it will just come up with like a notification. All you do is put on your VPN pointed towards like another country, and it's absolutely fine. You just bypass that. It's no problem at all. So it doesn't take hours or days to sign up and get verified and do your proof of address and do your passport and all of this stuff. You get signed up within 2 to 3 minutes and you're ready to go. So it's one of my favorite exchanges because of this reason as well. It's just so easy to use and so easy to onboard people to this exchange. So once we're signed up, you will see this page here. All right, so what have we got? We've got buy crypto. Let's start from the very beginning. If you want to buy crypto, click quick buy there. All right, let it load, and then what you can do, just for an example, say if I want to buy 10,000 USDT, right? Sorry, USD. So what I'll do is if I'm buying in USD currency, all right, I'll obviously click that. You can buy in GBP as well. 10,000. So maximum per order is 1,500 for the moment. I think you need to be trading on here for a bit before that goes up. All right, so say if I want to put $1,500, £1,500 GBP, I'll get 1,900 USDT. Okay, and then you can click one of these to pay with. You can pay with card. All right, you can buy with card. So got banks, Mercury, this one got that one as well, and then you just literally click that and continue, put in your details, and then you've basically bought. Okay, just wait for that to load, and then we'll go on to the next bit. Very easy to buy, also very easy to sell. Just click sell. Okay, here, and then to buy, and then put in your preferred your currency that you're using, and then you can buy like USDT, or you can even buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, whatever you want to buy, you can buy it there. All right, a lot easier than most of the other exchanges. Now let's go on to market. This is the page where you can see all of the like crypto pairs. All right, takes a second to load, and now we're on here. So you've got the main pairs up here. These are like futures pairs. These are spot pairs here. The difference between spot and futures is ultimately trading on a leverage. So you can do, say if you put in $1,000 and you do a 10x leverage, you're playing with $10,000. Okay, when you're buying on spot, it's like if you buy one Bitcoin, even if Bitcoin goes down, you still own one Bitcoin. It's not as if you can get liquidated. Whereas if you're trading on futures and the price goes down and you're in a long position, which means you're betting that it's going to go up, then you can lose all of your Bitcoin. If you're just buying on spot, it means that even if you're buying Bitcoin at say $58,000 and it goes to $50,000, you're still going to own one Bitcoin. So then when it goes up to say $75,000 or $100,000, still own the one Bitcoin. So you can't lose your crypto. Okay, this is all of the currency, well, most of the crypto pairs here. You've got like Bitcoin USDT, Ethereum USDT, Doge, etc. All right, let's click on Bitcoin, or we'll go through to trade in a second. Actually, you've got futures pairs, you've got ETF, you've got top gainers. This is where you can see all of the pairs here. All right, let's go through to futures. I'm not going to do an in-depth video on how to trade and how to do futures in this video. This is simply a how to sign up to CoinW, what to click to buy crypto, and just kind of in a nutshell how to use it. And then we're going to do a part 2 video, which is going to be the trading side of it, of how you can basically long Bitcoin and short Bitcoin and different pairs, and how to actually open trades and how to execute trades, and the different kind of trades that you can do as well. So we're going to do that on the part 2 video. But for the moment, this is just showing you guys how to get set up and what to click to basically get to the next stage and buy crypto, hold crypto, etc., and staking and stuff like this. This is the Bitcoin chart here. This is basically the futures side. If you want to trade crypto, this is where you'll come to on the futures side. If you want to basically do futures, just in a nutshell, again, you put in $1,000, you can then do a 10x leverage, 20x leverage, 50x leverage. If you do a 50x leverage, your $1,000 means that you're trading with $50,000. This is very, very high risk, and I would not recommend this, especially if you're starting. I'll recommend when you first start, do a 3 to 5x leverage to begin with. But again, we're going to go over all of this in the futures video that I'm going to do in a part 2 of CoinW. Right, what you want to be looking at is if you go to trade, you'll click on spot. So this is another way to basically buy crypto on the exchange. When I say buy crypto, I mean you'd buy from obviously where it says buy crypto over here, but then if you've got USDT and you want to convert it to say Bitcoin or something like that, you'll just click market order. All right. And then whatever, I don't have anything on this exchange at the moment. This is just a demo account, this one. You'll put in how much you want to buy, and then it will basically come up with a price there. It's really, really easy to use. All right, you can buy Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin. You can do this with any pair that you want to do this with. All right, once you've got money on the exchange. If you do a limit order, all right, this means that you want to say buy Bitcoin. Say if I change this to 58,600, all right, and then I put in the total amount of 100, yeah. This means that if Bitcoin hits $58,600, this trade will activate and it will buy $100 USDT, which is basically $100 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so this is if you want to set a limit order to buy, and again, this is spot. This is not trading. This means that if you're buying $100 worth of Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin you're getting, you'll basically get $100 worth. If it goes up or down, yes, the price will go up and down, but you're not going to lose it because you're not trading it. You're buying it on spot. Okay, what I typically do is just do a market order. It's a lot easier. You have got limit and market there. You'll do the same with selling Bitcoin as well. Right. Oh, so we've gone over that. Copy trading, won't go over that at this stage. Binance, so you've got basically staking here. You've got fixed, where is it? You've got fixed staking, you've got flexible, and then you've got staking pool. So flexible typically means that you can stake your crypto and you'll earn rewards on it daily, and it's flexible if you want to take it out. Okay, fixed means you might lock in for say 3 days here, or where is it? Sometimes it's got 30 days or whatever. So you're going to lock it in for a set amount of time. You can't touch it until while it's locked up in that term. So once it's finished the 3 days or 30 days or sometimes 6 months, sometimes even 12 months, then you can take it out. Yeah, if you want to do flexible, it's a lot easier. You don't get as many rewards, but at least your crypto isn't locked up for a certain amount of time. Okay, very easy to do. So once you bought Ethereum on CoinW, click on subscription, and then you can put how much. And then again, here it's got flexible if you want to lock it for 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, and 3 days. So this will basically change the amount, all right, of the rewards that you'll get. Basically interest that you're earning on your crypto. All right, what's next? Then we have, so this is really cool. This is a CoinW card. I haven't got this yet, but basically what this is kind of like a, I don't know whether you know the crypto.com card, but it's kind of like a Visa card that they've bought out. You can apply for it, and this means that you can basically pay for, you can buy things using the CoinW card. So I haven't used it yet, so I don't know exactly how this one works, but they're all pretty much similar. You've got a virtual Visa card, you'll have your crypto, and you can buy things in a shop using your crypto. You'll just need to convert it to the currency, whatever you're using, whether it be USD, whether it be GBP, or anything like that. All right, and you can basically apply now. I'm definitely going to apply for this card. Because it looks pretty cool. And then you've got like live streaming, you've got a launch pad there. This is if new coins are being launched. You've got a launch pad, you can try and get early access to new coins that are being launched. And then you've got like daily trading challenge and stuff like that. Okay, you can deposit here, you've got your wallets there, it will show your assets, you can deposit and withdraw. Say if you've got crypto on Binance, for example, you want to deposit the crypto to CoinW, you'll click on deposit, you'll get the code, you'll put it in Binance, and then you can deposit, same as you can withdraw. You can see all of your assets here. All right, so that's on the wallet bit, the wallet section. As I said, this is the easiest exchange to use and to get set up on. It takes less than 2 minutes to get set up. The best part about this exchange as well not the best part, but one of my favorite parts about this exchange is I've partnered with these guys, and as a partner I get exclusive access to CoinW's traders. Now what happens is when you sign up through the link that is below, you can get added to a group that has access to all of the futures trades from CoinW's traders. Yeah, so I now no longer need to sit there and post trades and be in the charts all day. I can focus on helping people, advising people, getting people set up, and then CoinW's traders, which have got a whole trading floor in the office. These guys are based over here in Dubai. You can basically follow their trades. Which is really cool. These traders are very, very experienced. They've even got a market insight part of the Telegram channel as well. So you want to see what's happening in the markets, they will update you daily on what's happening in the markets. Even got a support line as well. So any help or any questions, you can ask these guys as well. I'll be providing any support that you need, but you've also got access to CoinW direct in the exclusive VIP group. So this is a massive, massive benefit to getting signed up with these guys with the link below, because you have access to the JR Cryptex CoinW VIP group. Okay, I'm going to go over the trading video on how to get set up and do trades shortly. This would be like in a part two video, but for now, get signed up, get some money onto the exchange, and yeah, wait for part 2, and then we'll go over the trading aspect, how to open a trade, how to use the future side, getting you onboarded into the group as well, and then you can start making money daily with CoinW, with CoinW's traders. It's an amazing opportunity. These guys are doing things very differently compared to a lot of the other exchanges. 110% backing these guys. I think it's amazing what they're doing, and it's a great opportunity for retail to come on, retail investors to come on and basically make money and follow the traders, and yeah, kind of get onboarded to crypto in the right way and actually make money. Follow for more, like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.